Okay. Okay. Yeah, I kind of figured that. Kind of figured. Hey, so I don't know if you see it on your chart, but price is coming into that golden zone right there. So we may see a rejection somewhere in this area, possibly. Or if we can get a breakout, we can probably use this zone as a launching pad. So we'll see.
Yeah, I was looking to see if they're gonna protect 450 area.
You know
There's hella
what?
buyers right now, though.
Yeah. And we really don't have anything news-wise. All right, so we ran that. So they did kind of use this thing as a well, we'll see. We'll see. We're still in that area. We're not out the water yet. We're still at this high right here. So they're definitely going to have to prove that they want it above these highs. Which, I mean, it's the Bulls. It's not really going to be a surprise, but they still have to prove it. And obviously, well, ooh, hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. The ES is looking like, look at the ES. Look at the ES. The ES ain't following the Nasdaq at all. Huh. I'm so tempted to get into this long right now on ES though, because it does look like it's about to burst too. You know what? I'm gonna take it, man. I'm gonna take it on the ES. I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, I saw it flip.
I used the wrong strategy for it. I used the Nasdaq instead of the ES one. All right.
Use the RSI. Man, down almost 50 points. Ugh.
Three. But I don't know, man. Like I said, the ES ain't following the Nasdaq. We see this massive pump on Nasdaq, but we ain't seen it on the ES. Actually, you know what? Let me get out of this position right here. I'm gonna get out of it. It's not following it. I'm gonna go short, and then I'm going to. And then if they hold it here at this golden zone, then I'll flip long. But they're not holding it. But we do have a lot of positive CBD on that chart. But on the left hand or the far right, it is negative though. We're like super negative CBD. All right, so that golden zone is coming up. I'm definitely going to protect this. I'm not playing with this golden zone at all. I'm not playing with it. Probably give it some more breathing room. You said what? Yeah, I'm not gonna play with it. But not on the Nasdaq.
Short.
Yeah, I'm short right now. Because it's not following on the ES. Damn it. Okay, they bounced it at okay. All right. So it was good that I did that. Oh my God. Damn, dude. I just want a good entry. Oh, that's it. I just want a good entry. Damn. Yeah, it bounced it right at the golden zone, dude. If you're in this, just be mindful of that. They bounced it right. I mean, they tapped the golden zone and bounced it, man.
And buyers are straight reckless.
But I'm gonna probably still get out of this. I'm not, because like this is not the position I wanted. Ah, I mean, I'm gonna still put this right here underneath this, underneath the zone. This is a bad fill in Nasdaq, but I think the bulls can at least hit my first target. I think we can get up here. I'm thinking we can. Yo, if you in this short, dude, they bounce it off the golden zone, bro. So just be mindful of that. Just be mindful. They tapped into it perfectly, man. Perfectly bounced off of that.
Bounced off on 21 too. We got B walk right there below. Let's see. Break it. Gotta break it.
Bro, don't ever go against the. Yeah, bro. Like don't ever go against the 21 EMA, bro. That shit is the truth. Don't fight the 21. The 21 is a gangster. The 21 is a gangster too.
All that fine. Oh no. Oh no. I forgot.
You forgot what?
I forgot about that. Oh damn. I forgot I'm not in 150K. Well, that's blown.
Hold on, what account? Hold on, it's not the. Hold on, what account is that? That's not the account that you were done with, right? Okay.
Nah, that's the free one I got. Hung up. Damn it. Man, I should have. I saw it too.
But honestly,
before any of this.
Just my reverse a little bit. Nah, I'll just put it right here. I'll just put it back. I'll put it back. But this was a bad fill, and like I said with the Nasdaq, you can get away with so much. This is a bad fill, a horrible fill. But I'm going to protect this. Actually, I'm not gonna. Or I mean, if she want to bless your boy with that bad fill. There we go. Hey, that golden zone entry, that shit was perfect, yo. That golden. Hold on, where's the golden zone on your chart? Is it 44 or 447 and 443? Is that where your golden zone is at? Actually, let me just look at your stream. Hold on, give me a second.
Nah, I don't have that. Unless let me see if I redraw it. I don't have that though. Let's see. From top, from the blue top to the bottom. Nah, that wouldn't be it. These were guarded. Oh man, I saw that flipping too. Saw it. I thought it did not take action. That's okay.
Sometimes you gotta pop out. Oh, speaking of that, yeah. Yeah, I just watched that. Oh crap. My bad. Yeah, I just saw that video with Kendrick and Not Like Us video. Now Drake only has himself and DJ Academics to blame for that. DJ Academics gassed Drake up. He gassed him up. He gassed him. You know it was DJ Academics behind it is because some of the comments that DJ Academics was making on his stream, that's what Drake was using in his diss, talking about, nah, we're not going to let you come out in 5 years. Nah, you're going to have to come out and fight and see this. And that's exactly what DJ Academics was saying. So Hey, DJ Academics gassed Drake up so much, was glazing him so much that he thought he can come after a real MC, a real one. That Eminem himself said that, okay, yeah, he's real. So yeah, yeah, Drake only has himself and DJ Academics for that. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show me. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up the scope with him. Ah, beat the ass behind the Bible if God watching. But yeah, I think at this point, Drake career, I mean, you can't survive that because, like I said, DJ Academic was like, oh man, that's not even a club song. So Kendrick came out and made his diss track a song that they can play in the club, and now they're gonna play this in the club. Yo, yeah, Drake, he fucked up. And what's crazy is that DJ Academics and Drake both have very similar personalities, where they had to work very hard to get the notoriety that they have now. They're two very successful men. However, to them, I feel that they haven't moved past the them before the fame. Because let's just be honest, both of them weren't that cool before the fame. So some people don't move past that. No matter how many accolades they have, no matter how many achievements, they're still the loser that none of the women wanted when they were growing up. Nobody wanted to be friends with them. They weren't cool. And some people just get stuck in that mode. And I think that's what's going on here for both of them, in my opinion, based off of their behavior. And based off of the women that they date, you can see that the women they choose are the ones with still kind of in that high school 20 mentality. They're not dating mature women, they're dating more childish or immature women. So, I mean, I kind of saw that. I peeped that out. But they got their egos got the best of them. And now Drake has to pay for that. So if the Bulls fail to push price higher, we could see a drop from these highs. We could see a drop. Certified boogeyman. I'm the one that up the scope with him. Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. Wow, wow, wow. I'm trying to. Hmm. Okay, so if we get a bounce right, bounce right there. All right, so my position should be good right now. I should be good in this position. Where's this at? 60. It's at 60. Yeah, I should be good in this. We're not. Okay. Okay. All right. So I only lost 5 points in that. It's not bad. I'll take that. It's not a bad loss.
I kind of had to get in. This ain't even revenge trading, but I don't know. I shorted that. Dang, I feel bad. I forgot it was a 50. Man.
You said you forgot it was a
You
what?
don't got much room for error. 50K. You don't have much room for error trading freaking minis.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Oh, now you were sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, I figured it was gonna bounce it right there.
Sure.
I'm gonna put this right under this value area low right here, just in case.
Just drop it. Drop it 40 points. We've been going 5 minutes. Now you were sure. All right, stop out. Bounce at the middle for now. Yep. Up. Still going. Still trying to go. Hey, watch that. I bet how many people was expecting it to crush 500?
You talking about what?
And I said how many people was expecting it to blast through 500?
I mean, shit,
And
it dropped right at 94, 95. That's exactly what the NQ does. I mean, at this point,
did it last?
Go ahead.
No, I'm saying it did it last time. We was expecting it to break through that one level.
Mm-hmm.
It stopped like 4 points away. It just dropped. It's a repeat. I should have took that long though. Now I need to, especially when it was breaking everything.
Mm-hmm.
It broke the trend line. I was looking at it on the 5 minute, and then once it started looking like it was gonna flip on the 2K tick, I was like, oh shoot. But I still held it short for no reason. Out of hopium.
Yeah, I mean that's what the Nasdaq does, man. You're definitely gonna have to be mindful, because even though I'm trading a Nasdaq, I'm not looking at structure anymore, because the Nasdaq is more levels with the Nasdaq. I mean, she does trade structurally as well, but you see it over time. But in the moment, it's like, yo, she just goes level to level. She goes level to level. She doesn't. You're not gonna get her to trade in structure for real. Now, if I turn off my chart trader, you'll see it now. You'll see that she bounced right at this this left shoulder. She bounced right off of it, and she got her head, her two shoulders, and she's now making for a way to break that high. You said what?
Nah, JC is right. He said I gotta trust my gut in the read. I saw it. I was even talking about it as I was in that trade. I saw it getting ready to flip here. And then I drew this trend line just to be sure. And I'm like, yeah, I see it flipping on the 5 minute chart. It's the 2K chart. And it's flipping on the two. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I kind of want to bring up something that I said.
Crazy. I should have drew.
Now finish your thought, bro.
My bad. One last point. I should have drew one last or a new golden Fibonacci level, because if I would have drew that off of the current high,
Mm-hmm.
I would have saw that bounce right here in this golden area.
Yeah, that's why I was like, bro, it bounced off the golden area that you adjusted. It bounced clean in that area, dude. Shit was clean. You couldn't get no cleaner bounce off the golden fib area, dude. You couldn't get no cleaner bounce, yo. That's why I was like, when I went short, I was like, dude, I'm not playing with that golden area, and I'm not playing with it. And that's why I got out my short and flip flop. I'm not gonna play with it. But I want to go back to a point that I stated earlier. Look at the ES. You see how the Nasdaq is moving and the ES is not following it yet? This tells me that this could be a fake pump on the Nasdaq, and that the Nasdaq is just clearing out its area because the ES hasn't pumped up yet. It hasn't moved yet. So I don't know. That's what kind of gets me kind of suspicious. Maybe the ES is kind of lagging right now, but yeah, I know the Nasdaq is going crazy right now, but the ES ain't. So just keep that in mind.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, this one was just for the culture. I had to, even though I didn't even need this, honestly. Matter of fact, I'm about to close this account. It's well beyond past. I'm closing this one down. Now I gotta look at how to rethink things. What should I get? Should I get another account? But if I do that, I'm gonna be revenge trading. I know. So I
Yeah,
should probably just chill on this Friday. I should probably just chill.
yeah, I think so. I think so, because yeah, that is definitely a recipe for revenge trading. And I think the market, I mean, it's kind of hard to tell, man. It is hard to tell on the at least on the Nasdaq. Yeah, we're still going up, but we rejected here at this high. We may get a push up to this 23% at 526 on the Nasdaq, which I mean, it does fall in line with that, that 20 level resistance. So we'll see.
I'm trying to see what kind of structure is this. I don't even see like any real structure in this at all. I guess just buy dips. They tried to short it down and they freaking bought that mess right back up.
I mean, if you look at the higher time frame chart, if you look at it, yeah, we had that sweep of liquidity on both sides. We had that drop. They bounced it off the 21. Price is trending. Okay, price is trending on the higher time frame right now. It's trending. So I
Yeah,
would
do
keep
y'all
that in
see
mind.
this? Oh wow. It bounced off the trend line. The short we got that I hopped in that we got and it bounced off this trend line here
Mm-hmm.
and got eight. This is the high time frame. This is the king push chart. Dang, now they about to run 500. They they got their liquidity
Mm-hmm.
swept all the way down here. Now they about. But yeah, let me see ES. ES.
I say yes. Oh,
Well.
ES ain't moving for real. So this
Yeah.
was 88. I mean, this is the 10-point play. Like I gotta keep remember. No, it wasn't even 10 points yet. It was 9. From top to bottom, it was a 9-point play. I mean, I just gotta remember that the ES just doesn't move like that. So I mean, that's what gets me uh cautious with the Nasdaq about what it possibly can do until ES kind of figures it out. Because right now, I mean, if you look at it, the ES is trading in this big range right here. You can see that we got this breakout on both sides, and price came back and started trading in this range on the ES. So what does that mean? I mean, the Nasdaq is going to be the Nasdaq for real, but the ES ain't following it. So, or at least not yet. But I mean, we're still going to
You
rock it
know
with the
what?
Nasdaq. You said what?
Alfred reminded me of that 50K starter. That 50K starter, baby. You're right about that, Alfred.
Yeah, like I said, I'm actually start trading that probably next week. I have one for the ES and one for the Nasdaq, but I mostly probably will just focus on the Nasdaq. Honestly, mostly look at that, yo. Your boy up 65 points, baby. Your boy up 65 points on the Nasdaq, baby. 100-point Sherm coming back. 100-point Sherm. Shit, the Bears would need literally Crash Curry to come out and say, like, yo, look, motherfuckers, we ain't getting no rate cut. I don't care what the data say. The world can blow up and there ain't gonna still be no rate cut. And that's the crash that the Bears need. Right there. Our boy Crash Curry. Let's take that off. Take that off. All right, so I'm trying to find a good area to try to add into this. Let's see if we can get into this golden zone, man. I mean, I got mostly all my contracts off. I got 2 contracts left on this. I'm in profit. If I get stopped out, man, this is a great trade, great way to end the week. And these golden fibs were the truth. These fib levels the truth. But kind of going back to what you said, I think the pre-market low and the pre-market high is all you need. I don't think you need to keep readjusting it as it goes higher. From what I've seen, from what I've back tested, as long as you get the pre-market high and low, then it'll still follow the fibs, and that's all you need.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Since you're fib, you got top and bottom. I don't got that. I need to make my own on Tradeovate.
So I tried doing it on Tradeovate.
Yeah.
It's just that at least the one I was trying to modify the one that has already been created. With Tradeovate,
Yeah.
was stopping was stopping it from doing it from top and bottom is that it only has 15 slots. What you can do,
I saw that. Yeah.
what you can do is actually take out the fib levels that you don't need. I think I did this already, and I may have already deleted it, but actually I did it on Top Step. So if you copy the one on Top Step, actually Top Step has, oh, never mind, they're gonna put 18 on Top Step. But if you look at my stream, if you copy it on yours, actually I'll just send it to you. I'll just put it in the Discord chat. I'll take a screenshot, put it in the Discord chat. Second.
Oh, sure. You know what you need to do?
What's
you
that?
You need to post that. You need the one you got for Ninja Traders. You need to put that into like the indicator bank or something, so people can pick it up from you.
That does sound like a good, pay to Sherm opportunity.
Charge like $2 or something for it. Throw that mess in there.
Yeah, because that was like 2 to 3 hours of work, yo. That was work. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and put it in a but
JC. So the one on TradingView, I think comes standard with it. Let me see. Where was pre-market high?
I'll have to look. So I'm about to put it in the chat. So if you want to look at it, I'm about to put it in the Discord chat. If you want to look at it, copy it. I'll put it in here.
Yeah, okay, JC. The one on TradingView is standard. It comes with tops and bottoms.
Okay.
Wait, does it? Am I tripping? No, okay, yeah, it does. Because I've used it before on TradingView. The bottom. So yeah, yeah. If you put it down. Big fib retracement.
All right, let's look at ES. So ES finally touched 10 points in this move right here. So I mean, with the ES, we just got to pay attention to this high. We got to pay attention to that high. Technically, it's at its left shoulder right now. I'm pretty sure the Bulls got this. I'm pretty sure we can get a retest of oh, okay, never mind. You can see that they're coming in right here. But I mean, we'll see. We'll see with the ES. We would definitely see. But I'm just like I said, like it's weird that the Nasdaq is going crazy right now and the ES ain't doing shit. It's not doing anything.
So the next 618 is at 571 to the upper.
You looking at?
And
Oh, you talking about
then
me? The next, yeah, it's around.
I'm on the trading view. Is that what does yours kind of match up? Let me see. I need to pull up your trade.
100-point
Wow, this
Sherm.
thing is
100-point Sherm.
stunning.
100-point Sherm, baby.
Stunning. Look at this.
100-point Sherm, baby. Or 5 more points. Is she gonna give it to me or is she gonna?
I think you got it, to be honest. Where 43? Yeah.
Yeah, I got this, yo. I got this. I got this. They better hit my target too. I got it. Uh-oh. 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 100 point. Man, wow. Whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. All right. Officially 100 points, baby. Let's go. Officially 100 points, baby. Let's go. This is why this is Nasdaq Anonymous, baby.
Man, that could have been part of that.
Tony, you're not in this?
Epic. No, I've already. This account is passed. This is the last day, so I don't need to do anything with this. I gotta get my MFF account that Alfred reminded me about.
Yeah, that MFF account is clutch, man. That shit's clutch. This is definitely a clutch account. Yeah, it's a starter. I mean, but if you want the 150K, that's 220. I mean, that's still cheaper than anything that you'll get on the market right now. Man, man, the Nasdaq is doing that just cause, yo. That damn target, yo. Thank you.
Out at your 100 points.
Nah, I like to upgrade a little bit. There we go. 105 points, baby. 105. Yo, I got my my last target sitting at that other golden zone, the other golden zone at 581. And that, or actually, let me put this at 77. Actually, let me put it at 77 because I'm pretty sure it's gonna probably tap this golden. Yeah. There we go. No. Nah, we'll leave it like that. No, we'll put it at 77, 79. We'll leave it like that. All in all, I only got one runner contract. I should even be angry if it comes all the way back to me. I mean,
wait, MFF is it with both of them passing one day, or the starter? Do you have
it's all passing one day. Everything is passing one day.
Oh, all right. I'm about to hit this on this 50K. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
MFF fucked up with these new revamped starter packs.
We're about to be funded for 3K. We're about to be funded for Monday. All right. No activation.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're right.
All right, hold on. Are you now just realizing like how bad they effed up? Like, yo, they effed up. They don't.
Seriously.
But on the funded side, you got to make 40% consistency though. But I mean, so here's the thing.
I don't even care.
Go ahead. So here's the thing that people probably don't realize with MFS funded side. If you have 30 profitable days, they will put you in a live account with $3,500 with a $3,500 static account. You can take out your profits, but then they'll put you in a $3,500 static account in live. Or I think it's like 12 payouts. So if you reach like 12, let's actually read it from the website. If you reach, I think it's 12,000, they put you in live. If you take $12,000 in payouts or have 30 profitable days they put you in a $3,500 static account live. So they're really controlling the risk to them. Like they was like, okay, we're gonna have profitable traders, but they're not taking out tens of millions of dollars at a time. They're taking out a controlled amount, and what they can say is that, hey, we got funded traders, we're paying traders out, blah 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 blah. That's a great marketing tool. Along with the price, MFF is on the top of the game right now. Nobody has a eval that's doing the same thing like MFF right now. So Apex is falling off. Top Step, they have to respond. They have to respond again. They got to.
You got 24 hours to respond.
You got 24 hours.
I mean, I saw it and everything, but I didn't really read into it. I've been trying to focus on passing them other ones that I got for free, but I just blew. I just freaking blew.
Yeah.
So, except my 150K, we still got that. We 11K in profit. Today's day 5. I'm about to be funded Monday on that. And yeah.
I was honestly, I was surprised. I was like, when I was telling you, I was like, dude, are you not listening to what I'm saying right now? Like, are you not listening?
I was too focused on other things.
Like, this is life changing, yo. Look at that drop, yo.
That is really good, though. I can't even hold you. Yeah. And it's still passing. Wait, how many contracts you get on the 50? Did they give you 10 like Apex?
No, they give you 30. They give you 30 micros and 30 minis.
Wait, what?
On the 50? Yeah, on the 50K, you get 3 minis or 30 micros.
Oh, 3 minis, 30.
I mean, the 50Ks, you can still use the 50Ks, only $220. And you get $500 of extra drawdown.
Yeah.
I mean, all in all, right now, this is the best deal in the market. That's why Top Step has to respond. I've already seen people from Top Steps in the comment that says, that asked the question, is this permanent? They said, yes, it's permanent. And they said that this is now my new home. And I'm not going to hold you. For right now, MFF is my new home. It's my new home right now. There's no reason to get a Top Step account. There's really none. None. They have to get rid of that. They have to get rid of that $150 activation fee, or they have to readjust the cost. Now, the 150K for $150, I mean, that's reasonable. But for it to have it on the 50K, that's absolutely makes no sense to me personally. Like I've said it before, I know people still get the 150K and spend $150 to activate the account. However, when you get on the funded side, we all know that emotions come in, and you need all the drawdown in the world to kind of absorb all that emotional trading that we all know that you're gonna do initially to get started, and then over time you can get your account back up to speed and possibly get that payout. But $1,000 or $2,000 in drawdown, that shit it's not gonna cut it in the indices. It's not gonna cut it, especially when you have days like this. Somebody already blew their account chasing this long right here with this drop. But let's see if they bounce it at VWAP though. Okay, for some reason they're not making this easy to find. I don't understand why. All right, starter accounts. The new revamped starter account. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this up, and then we're gonna go through it. And like, dude, this is so good. This is so good, man. This is good. This is really good. I mean, with the 50K account, you have a starter pack. I mean, I'm sorry, with the 50K starter pack, all you gotta do is make 3K. So none of the profit targets changed. They even gave you an additional $500 on all accounts, which, let's just be honest, all the money that we can get in drawdown helps. They will lock you out the same way that Top Step will, if you reach a certain threshold. So they even give you an additional amount. They give you $600 of extra drawdown on the 150K. They give you 400 on the 100K, and they give you 200 on the 50K. This is so good, so freaking good on them. You got a 40% consistency rule once you get funded, and once you get the payouts, once you get the maximum payout, they put you in a. Let me see where if I can find it. Let me see. It's like $3,500 static account. Okay, so they don't say that. They probably got it in there live. There's no activation fee. So there's potential weekly payout, blah blah blah. No buffer zone, and then there's no buffer zone too. That's like, dude, they have no buffer zone. That means as soon as you get your 5 profitable days, you can take a payout. Like, that's so good. There's no buffer zone that you have to get over. Starter, live, funded.
Nah, yeah, that is really good. Moxie said the new starter pack made Top Step irrelevant.
It did, dude. Like, Top Step is
About
irrelevant right now.
24 hours. They gotta respond. I'm mad I missed all this though. This is okay. All right, y'all. Oh, I wish they gave level 2 data though. That would be nice. We'll come down here, test.
Okay. Okay. So I think, am I still in this? I'm still in this, baby. So we're at VWAP right now. Man, you know what? Let's see if we can take this route again, baby. Let's see if we can take it again. Let's see. All right. Let's see if we're going to take this route again, baby. We're going to take it again. And this is why NinjaTrader 8 needs to have a lockout feature, because I am definitely high right now. Definitely high right now. Where would be a good stop out? What would be well, okay. All right, so 553, 553. All right, so I'll just put this underneath this golden fib. This would be like a 27, about a 28 point stop on 16 micro contracts. But I think I'm good, bro. I think I'm good. I think I'm good on this. These golden fibs working out perfectly. They bounced it right off this fib level too. They bounced it right off this fib level. Huh. Okay, so I do see an area where, all right, so we may get a rejection here at 519. We may get a rejection somewhere around here, possibly. The bulls are definitely going to have to get over this level right here, because this is where that break of structure happened. So we may see a lot of resistance here, but we all know that the bears have been super weak. So who knows? Who knows if that's what we get? No, I think we're good. I think we're good on this. I think we're good. But I was wondering where I saw
All
that.
right, got
Okay.
a 50K starter pack.
All right. Our boy's in the game now, baby. He's in the game
uh,
now.
I'm in the game, but I'm in the terrible spot right now as far as an injury.
You can get away with it with the NQ. You can get away with it. You just have to take a little bit of pain for a while. Oh,
How much pain can I afford? What's the stats on this 50K account?
all right. I did find out. Okay.
2,500 drawdown.
So I did find it. It has it right here on X. Clear as day. Live funding, a static account with a $3,500 in balance, eligible after 30 days of winning or 12Ks in payouts. So, this is good. This is good. Good. And honestly, I'm wondering if they're doing this so, because that case with their Forex side, I wonder if they're doing this so they can see what we're doing on the future side. We're making it so easy for our traders to get live funded. They're getting easy payouts, blah, 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 blah. I wonder if they're doing that for that. It don't really matter what they're really doing it for, but this is super good, though. This is super good. Super good. My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. So what I should do actually, I should kind of lower this a little bit so it's not playing with the wicks, because this is an area where the bears could come in. I don't think they're going to be successful, but it's just the fact that we could see a big retracement before we see an up move. With the Nasdaq, you just never know. But structurally, this is where the bears could come in at right here. So just be mindful in your position. We're going to see a lot of resistance here, but obviously the momentum is bullish. So, and the CVD is still positive on Bookmap. So if you're long, you should be good. Certified booking man. I'm not on the other scope with him. Damn, is 100-point Sherm going to do it again? Is he going to do it again? All right.
Not 2 times in a row.
How does he keep getting away with this? Hmm. 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 And that's the thing with the Nasdaq, man. That's the thing with her. Yeah, you can trail your position, but what if it stops you out and keeps going? I mean, you're definitely going to revenge trade and get back in. You're definitely going to revenge trade and get back in on this. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take that one. I'm taking it. I took it because we do see a super liquidity right here. We do got this super big leg down. So I do expect for the bears to try to come back into this. We probably might get a bounce here at this fib level, but I'm just going to take the profits. It's right there. I'm just going to take it. And at this point, I'm going to reduce my risk on this. because I still want to keep this this one contract in as possible. It's only one micro contract. So even if I do get stopped out, that's like what, a 40, about a 20 to $30 loss. I mean, I've made about like 2 or 3K already today. So I mean, I'm good. I'm good on this. And we may see some resistance here at this 23%. Because I mean, if you look at it, we did get a break of the 23%. We saw that they tried to come in and try to break off of it. We did. If actually, what am I doing? What am I doing? I apologize. All right, so yeah, we saw this massive move up like this. We broke the 23%. Price came right back in to test it. The bulls tried again to take out this high right here. They failed to do so, and we have this massive move down. And now we have this neckline here at this 23% right here. And so this is what the bulls are going to have to get over. Actually, the bulls are going to somehow have to get over this line. We're going to have to probably have a retest here in order for us to see higher prices. Now, if we see a rejection here and we take out this low, then I'm thinking that this golden zone will be definitely an area that they come back and retest. And actually, hold on. Hold on. I just realized that. I just realized something. Dude, we're still in an uptrend. Hold on, let me look at that. We're still in an uptrend. Even if price does come down here, price is still trending up. So as long as we get a bounce somewhere in this trend line, like around 470 or 480, then we can still see potential upside. I'm actually going to move this down to break even +1. I don't want to get stopped out actually. But if we get like a break of this trend line, then okay, we can see probably a massive move down because we have all these stops that's holding up this trend line right here. So if the market dips into this, we can definitely see a move back down. But so far, the trend is being held up. So that does give my bullish position hope, even though the bears are trying to sell this down. Oh, isn't that interesting though? Because we was looking at that last night too. Oh crap. I just looked at the ES. You see what I'm talking about with the ES? You see what I'm talking about?
Well, with the ES2, nothing
Well, I mean, we did get this massive drop,
in
but
comparison.
in comparison, yeah, it's obviously the Nasdaq dwarfed the ES. But we was talking about this last night in a meeting about how the ES protects its highs and how the ES protects its lows. And you can see that it traded in this range, and we got this breakout from this range, and it turned right back into this range. You see that? So I was like, that's what I was saying. Like, if you're long the ES, yeah, once you got it, it worked out. And I think this is probably like this is probably like a 15-point move, which is good on the ES. I mean, that's 10 points. Yeah, so about like 4 points, 14 points on the ES, which is good. But you see this big crash right back down to this area of support. So that's why I was trying to say, like, just be mindful in the ES because the ES wasn't moving along with the Nasdaq. So I knew that a crash was coming eventually. And if you shorted at actually, let's look to see on the fib levels on the ES real quick and see if they actually worked out. Isn't that interesting? So if you got short here at this golden fib at 98 and took profits here at 89, which is a 10-point play, you got paid. If you got long at the 23% and got back out at the golden fib, that was another 10-point play. It rejected at the 88% though. 79, 88. Game when you talk about F the shorts. Yeah, shorts get no love in this market, man. None whatsoever. But it's shorting on the ES, so just be mindful of that. It's short on the ES. The ES has not been bullish this entire time. It's been super bearish. This is actually a bear. Actually, I'm gonna move this up. I'm moving this up because that's bearish as fuck. That's bearish if we get a break. So I'm gonna put my my stop at 477.25 because if we get a break of that low, this is going down. This is a classic reversal pattern. The bears are trying. They are trying. So gain weight. You better put some momentum in the market because it does look like we're in for some downside. But for my long position, I hope I'm wrong. Or I don't want to be wrong though, but we can't break this trend line right here. We can't, or not this trend line, this neckline. We can't break this. We can't get it closed behind underneath this break line because you can see that the bulls have tried once in this area, twice, 3 times. So underneath that that neckline is nothing but stops. 3 layers of stops right here. So the bull's definitely going to have to hold this and close above that neckline in order to see them higher prices. Where's your stop at? Well, shit. That must be nice when you can take your position into multiple days. I'm pretty sure your stop is all the way at the bottom of this move. Gain weight. You say your stop's in hell? I mean, hopefully the Bears don't like shit. The Bears are gonna try to take this market to hell to take out that stop. Say we gonna need that. But nah, man. Where's your target at? Like, where are you trying to get out of your position? Also saying something. Hopefully, let me see if I can kind of just put the volume down and listen to what he's saying. Saying something. Mm. Okay, so if I can just hurry up and do this real quick. I guess he's still talking. Okay. Okay. Hey Smith, are you in this still? Are you still in long right now?
No, I'm short.
Are you short? Okay. Yeah, I think the shorts got it. I think you're on the right path. on this one. I think the shorts got it. What made you get in short on this one though, if you don't mind?
I don't know, to be honest.
It was just a gut feeling. Your bear senses started tingling. Yeah, dude, it looks like, dude, it's a short. Like technically, like, dude, this is a short.
But I'm not gonna. Yeah, I don't believe that they take it too far though. Just because of how weak they are.
Yeah. Well, as long as they don't get it above that 526 level, being like, being a bear is kind of dangerous, yo. I'm not gonna lie. But it does look like the bulls are exhausting, and we may see a push down. I do see it on Bookmap that the momentum is bearish, even though the CVD is still positive. So there's bearish selling, but they haven't overwhelmed the bulls yet. So we're just gonna have to probably wait for that.
Connection lost.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll probably take off. So yeah, I think this is going short too. I'm actually going to put this here just in case. I'm gonna just leave that here. I'm gonna put my stop and profit, so this is not gonna be a scratch trade. But all in all, today was a good day. Today was a good day. Okay, so also, he's sorry, somebody on Bookmap saying something, but that it does that.
Freaking Bulls, and it's Friday too. Yeah, Bulls go crazy on Fridays.
I mean,
Shorts get no love.
they still got to kind of get it above this. They still have to. I mean, yeah, we like I said, we did get it above this 23%, but they have to still get it above this. I understand with the Nasdaq, that bullish momentum can look crazy, but it's. I mean, she's crazy, but she's still not that crazy. I mean, I'm not saying that the shorts is going to work, but the bulls have a lot of work to do to be successful. They got to get it above this high first, but you still got this block of price action that they have to get over right here. They have to get over that. And if they're not able to get over here, if they exhaust, then your short could definitely get definitely work. I don't think it's going to be a reversal, but you can definitely get a short to a previous area of a previous area of support, and the bulls can potentially come back in here, and from here we can see a move up. But if the bulls think they can just continue right here without no real price action, I don't think that they're capable of doing so. But I mean, the bulls have shown that they are completely regarded. So I think your short is good. Where's your entry at, if you don't mind?
Man, I was short like how many minutes ago? This is way back.
So
5:05.
505. Yeah.
Yeah.
You got kind of caught in that red candle, that breakdown candle. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. If this can break, I'll probably flip long.
I
I
don't
don't
think
think
so, bro. I don't think so, bro.
I'll
I think you're good, bro. I think you're good. I think you're good.
I don't believe. I don't believe shorts. They have not proven themselves. The Bulls prove themselves all the freaking time. They don't play. They do not play. Yeah, I should. Yeah, I know I should close that.
Just
What
trail
was
it,
on
bro.
my
But I
target?
think you're good though. I think you're good in this, man. Because like I said, they failed to get it
Yeah.
above this level and they're getting a crash down. So I mean, let's just see what they do here at this low. At
Because this is
I
nah.
wouldn't
They bounce it off.
if you close your position here, I wouldn't go long. I wouldn't go long here. That would be a suicidal long. Just staying short. Like,
Okay.
bro, see? See,
We gotta,
but you gotta trail
we
it
gotta
though.
put that on there.
Yeah, you gotta trail it though. Because that's not a good position to be
Yeah.
short though. That's not a good position to be short. Now, if you were short at 26, then yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? See, let me see something real quick. Let's see, step to 78, 618. Okay. If we get back down here, I'll long down there. Copy, yeah, like down here.
Let me look at MES real quick. So if we're gonna look at the ES,
Yeah,
the
it's
ES, go ahead.
the most stressful short in the world. It shouldn't be like that.
It
It's still
should.
going back up. See?
It shouldn't, dude. It really shouldn't. I mean, the ES is like I said, still in the range. Is the ES doesn't look bullish, so I don't know. We'll see.
Ah. Yeah, I knew I should have freaking logged off to 50. Yep.
Appreciate that, NYA.
Let me see. Yep. Well, let me chill. Let me chill out. I already missed my short opportunity, so I think that's why I took it, just because I missed out on it. This back here. Yeah, I could have been done with the account off of that.
You're trading the 50K, right?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Wow. Hey, Gameway says that to bring his friend's sword in short positions to hell to take him out. He's ready for combat. Okay. He said he got his stop loss sitting in hell right now, so Price ain't gonna never be able to touch it.
You know what? On this.
Bro, don't
No,
chase it.
I'm going.
Don't
I'm
chase it.
going.
Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. They gotta break over this 26
No,
level.
waterfalls.
Don't go chasing them waterfalls. You'll become the liquidity. We're gonna start saying that. Don't chase that waterfall because you'll become the liquidity. Yo, that's nice. Okay, yeah, that's nice.
We didn't even get the drop to VWAP though. They couldn't even do that. Like, man. I'm about to retire. I'm about to retire from being a bear. I'm not even going to be a bullish bear. I'm about to retire. You see my chart? Like, look at these baby gains, and it was a stress, a struggle. Stress and a struggle just to get 500 bucks.
Okay, that's cool.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. Stressful, dude. Stressful. Up and now we got it above this area. Yeah, the Bulls. Yeah, I guess the Bulls got it, man. Yeah, they got it. But now they got to take out now the next objective for the
Don't
Bulls.
short it. Or no, don't chase it.
Dude, you wanted the long at 526. You wanted the long at 526
I don't care.
instead of going shorting that long at
I don't care.
I was like, dude, look at like 490.
I don't care.
Like long
They're about to
490.
take it. What's 526 if they're about to take it to like 574?
Man, just keep your stops tight, bro.
Why? Actually, I'm not in it. I'm not in it, but I should have been. Actually, I am gonna chill because I feel like an epic drop. So we'll get an epic drop and then it'll just pump right back up.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, that's why I was like, just pay attention to that crap.
I don't want to be.
That 490 area, because I think that's that was that area that they needed to come in at right there. Mm. You said move it up a tad, bro. That's a long position. You know what? You're right in gain weight. I think every time I listen to gain weight, I make more money.
That's wild. My short sense is tingling. Is this it? Is this it? Or are they trying to mess with me?
I mean, dude.
Nah, this ain't it. Not yet.
Dude, I mean, like I said,
Not
man,
yet. It ain't ready yet. Nope.
it has to take out that high first, man. It has to take it out. It has to. If we don't get if the price doesn't take out that high, then the bulls are going to exhaust, and we might see that grind down like that. We can see it. And dude, my bear senses have always like, dude, when I saw this first rejection here, yeah, I see it right there. Because honestly, price is not supposed to really get over this level if the bears are serious. Well, not really get over it, but not have a strong close above it. And you can see that they failed once at this level, and then they failed twice. We got that pop above, and price coming back into that range. So we'll see, man. We'll see if the bulls are going to exhaust here. If not, we're going to see that move up like that.
The Bears haven't been serious since Crash Kari.
Yeah, they
that was
have
their one day they were serious. And then BlackRock came and manipulated the market right back up. You could still get a rate cut before the end of the year.
BlackRock giving the people hope, even though the Fed itself saying that we won't see it. I mean, the market, I mean, it has been going up. So even though BlackRock got what they wanted, they got the market to trade higher. They got what they wanted. And then basically all they needed to do was get it above a certain level, and the buy stops was going to do the rest for them. And once everybody sees that massive move up, they're going to chase it. Bears are going to short it, and bulls are going to chase it. So the market is going to continue to go up higher. Perfectly engineered liquidity. perfectly. All right, so let's check that out. So let's look at the higher time frame. ES still lagging, dude. Crazy. But let's look at the higher time frame on the Nasdaq. I mean, we are still trending. The price is still trending higher. So got a perfect trend. We got bulls protecting this trend line perfectly. Almost, you can see it. They're buying at every bottom of the trend line going up. So the top of this range is somewhere where my target is, right there at that 70 level, right at that golden fib level, right there at that golden fib will be the top of the trend. Can we get much higher?
I just need to be patient. My time will come. My shorts will come at some point. Be patient. Don't chase. Okay, let's continue this trend line up.
Can we get much higher? Let me look at that though. Golden Fibs did hold up. We got a crash underneath it, right back into this area right here. Mercy, mercy me, that mercy, Allah. And then they came right back up. They took it. See, put on a cleanup chart. Okay, so this kind of tells me that we definitely need to update the fib levels every day because these were the fib levels previously, and obviously you can see that they're not lining up anymore with each other. It's not lining up anymore. So we're definitely going to need to update the fib levels every day. So that just proves that theory to me.
Look at this. Don't long it. No, don't.
Nah,
I'm at
nah,
like 30 points.
nah. Uh-uh. You can't do that. You can't do that. I
I would
said
have
get
been
in
up
around
30
at that
points.
490 level. I said get in at that 490 level. I said that. But you was trying
That
to
level
long it.
been gone.
No. We talking
Nah.
about now when you was trying to long right here, I was like, nah, don't long there. Don't long
I
there.
No, I should have logged off this 50 EMA, which would have worked out perfectly.
Yeah, well, yeah, it worked out. It worked out this time. But you don't want to take a dude, you can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that. It worked now. It worked now. But we know that shit ain't gonna work over time.
Nah. It's Friday. The market only goes up on Friday.
Well, I can't be your trading partner if I tell you to go long at 526. I can't do that. I won't do that. It worked this time, unfortunately. Yeah, it worked. But bro, you want to long the high? You want the long the high? I mean, it works. It's working. But I
What
wouldn't
you
have done it.
say?
I said it. You wanted to.
Nah,
It worked now. But you don't want to do that over time, man. You don't want to long the top. You don't want to do that and get caught.
this is crazy. Yet again, straight up.
Mm-hmm.
I should have known. Had to struggle for $591. That definitely the reward, the risk reward is not there. I was down like $1,400.
Yo. Okay,
Barely
nah.
escaped that.
My bad, my bad. Yo, okay, I need to trade gold. 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 Yo, I'm putting I'm putting this shit in the damn I'm logging this. Yo, that shit hit that level perfectly. Yeah, I'm okay. I need to trade gold because apparently I'm a gold master. Apparently I'm a gold master. A gold master. Yo, we was talking about this level last night in the NF meeting, and look at this pump from that level. Yo, I'm a gold master, yo. Ah, crap. Mm. Ah, shit. Look at all that red. Isn't that interesting, man?
Yeah, game. It ain't time yet. It ain't time yet.
We just took out
Nah,
that
you right,
high.
my boy. It ain't
Mm-mm.
time, game. Wait, it ain't time yet.
Huh. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have an account for gold, dude. I'm like, dude, I'm 100% in all my gold calls, yo. That's crazy. I guess I really don't care about gold. That's probably why I'm just seeing it I'm just calling it how I see it and not really caring about it because I don't want to trade it for real. But that is crazy. Crazy. All right, so let's see if this is the drop. We took out this high. Now, the question is, Smith, if you would have got long here, would you would have got out at 50? No, you probably would have been got out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would have been got out. Yeah. I'm thinking about how I trade. I was like, nah, I definitely would have got out. No, I wouldn't have got out there. No, I wouldn't have. No. Mm, yeah, when you talk about Mortal Kombat. Mm, yeah, it sounds like Gameway trying to goat you into taking a short position so he can get his longs hit. That's what it sounds like. Trying to add you to the liquidity pool. That's funny, Gameway. That's funny. Mm, yeah, you remember. No, I gotta put this in my journal. I gotta put this in my journal. Yo, it hit that level perfectly, that 357 level. So we did get some drawdown. So if you got in perfectly at this 357, it got all the way down to, I mean, I think you lost, I mean, I guess depending on how you have your risk, because I think every tick is $1 or is $10. So That would have been 56. So that would have been a $90 loss. 90 because it only took it out 90 cents. And then we got this massive move up. So I'm taking this. So we got a gold play. Gold play. Gold is like what, $10 per tick. We went in long. That's what we was talking about last night. At this 223.57 level. And we got out, I mean, shit, at the top of this, I mean, I'm pretty sure I can keep going. But the top of this was 23.93. So, I mean, even if you got here at 23.57 last night from this call out, I mean, you ended your day. You only had 9 ticks of drawdown and had all this upside. 23.93. 23.93. It's fine. Okay. But yep, another gold play plays out. I'm so proud of that. I don't even trade the damn thing at all. Actually, let me look at that. Okay, so gold, GC, entry price 23.57. $23.93. What? Entry price 23.57. Oh, might have done that wrong. 23.93. No, I did that right. Yo, that's crazy. So this whole move right here, if you caught this whole move up here, that was 360 ticks on one contract. That was $3,600 on one contract with gold. This does look like a risk reward short though. This does look like a risk reward short on gold. We got a double top. We got them failing to take out this. Actually, my bad. All right, so we do got a double top. We got them failing to take out this high, and the bears are starting to come in. I mean, a short probably down to the 21 EMA or potentially to this 2381 area could definitely be a great reward for your trade, for your risk, putting your stop possibly above 2394 because it's just a risk reward trade, not necessarily a trade that has anything behind it, but technically sound, this could be a good short, at least down to this level. So if you're a gold trader and you want to take that, that's a great risk reward trade right there. And once we got a run of these highs, we got that stop run higher, and we got them to retest that area perfectly for that run up. So yeah, it is shorting. 360 ticks on that move. because I don't really need the P&L or anything. I don't really want that. I don't need this. Don't need that. Delete column, and I can start putting the comments there. Just delete this. Well, there goes that short working out for gold. So if you were able to get in that, there goes that short working. All right, so let's look at my Nasdaq trade, see if and that's what I'm talking about, Smith. I mean, you would have got out of that. You definitely would have got out of that, and I know you would have. But longing right here, that wasn't a good risk reward trade, and that's why I was trying to tell Smith. Because I mean, yeah, it worked. It worked in this instance. We did get an extra 30 points to the upside. However, if you didn't get out of that position, now it's looking like the price is going to crash, and we probably might get a retest of this 490 level. But if we break that 490 level, we can definitely see some more downside. You don't want to be longing the tops of breakout areas, because technically that's a breakout. You don't want to be longing stuff like that. Breakouts only work enough for you to continuously do it, so you'll trust it enough so when they do it again and break down, you'll become a liquidity donation to the market. So
My gosh, these these bears. Oh my gosh, they are so weak.
I know.
My goodness.
I know, man. I know, man.
It's just so sad.
I know, bro. I know.
They're so weak.
Uh,
That's funny. Oh my gosh. Too funny.
bully the
Bro,
flow in them.
couldn't even take it to the.
Oh crap! You know what I could have done? That's what I could have done. Actually, no. I can just delete that. Well, I guess I could. I could just leave the timing, like what time it works, so we can kind of track that. We can track that. We can track to see what time stuff tends to work out. Entry time. Okay, so obviously, long, short, you can have our entry, we can have the highs, we can have the drawdown. Yeah, okay, so drawdown, entry, highs, drawdown, and okay. All right, so this is why I've been I kind of been falling off on this again. because like I said, I'm gonna start tracking the NA meetings, the trades that we take in the NA meeting. So that gold play played out perfectly. We talked about that 2357 area as a great area to go long. We only took about what, nine? I think it was like only 9 ticks in drawdown. 9 ticks in drawdown. And right now it reached a high of 360 ticks. So on one contract, that's $3,600 on one contract. So that was definitely a great gold play. We've had plenty of, actually, let me delete this, man. We've had plenty of gold plays that just completely played out. Insert one column to the right, just take that off, delete this column. Entries, highs. So for about 360 ticks so far today, that's the highs with only 9 ticks of drawdown. And we're gonna start putting in areas of interest. So I guess what I'm gonna start doing is actually once I identify areas where I want to trade, I'm actually gonna start putting the entry prices where I want to look for here on this spreadsheet, but then still kind of give you guys like a range to where, okay, like in this range, I want to see price touch and I want to see the reaction that I want to see. And if you choose to take that trade, that's you choosing to take the trade. But so far, at least on gold, we're 100% on gold so far. Let's continue to be 100% on gold. But yeah, so we're gonna start doing that just to make it yeah, start tracking this. And I think so this one was like 21, 27. I think we only had like 50 points. It was like 50 points. Like 50 points in this trade. And we're just gonna track, we're just gonna use ticks with gold because I mean I kind of hate the ticks. Because I think people like to track gold and CL and commodities in cents. So it's really cents. It's not really ticks for us. It's cents, but I'm just gonna call it a tick. And we only got so actually no, we're gonna do it the correct way. We only had 9 cents in drawdown. 9 cents in drawdowns, and we captured 360 cents on gold. Awesome. Great trade. And then we can write comments in this. So yeah, this is definitely going to be, yeah, we can make this work. This is simple. This is definitely simple. Simple. Yeah, simple. I always take what I do seriously, gain weight. It's not trading. It's whatever I do. Like I said, I'm a perfectionist by nature. Whatever I do, whatever I set my goals to, wherever I put my focus at, I take that shit seriously. I'm a perfectionist by nature. Whatever I set my mind to, I set out and I achieve that. There is no excuse. None. No, and I think I had, it was like, what, 2 points of drawdown or something like that in this trade. Well, I guess for right now, it doesn't really matter, but. And I think if, what I actually should do is actually put the date in this as well. Excuse me. Just put the date in this. And we're just going to start off today because I'm not going to play that game. Okay. Hmm. Yo, man, these Bears are just fucking weak, man. It's hard to watch, man. That shit is hard to watch. It's
It
like
is hard to watch. Buying 50 would have been golden this whole freaking time. Buying off the 50. Mm-hmm. It is very, extremely hard to watch.
You see what Gameway talk about? He likes a sherm that shorts, not the sherm that takes long. You keep shorting, there won't be no threat. That was cute. That was cute, Gameway. That was cute. So it's keep making me money and it won't be no threat. That was cute. He says,
He
I
a
like this.
fan. He a fan. He a fan.
Like I said, man, we've evolved to being bullish bears, man. We just understand that bears just don't win in this market no more. Don't win. Nah. Nah.
I'm
So
stop trying. I'm not. I'm stop playing on the losing. Stop playing on the losing team, bro. I'm about to be on the winners in the winner circle. I don't care. Don't care.
is your boy gonna get 100 points again?
What is it?
Say Drake. Says, hey Sherm, I hear you like to go short. You're trying to short a bullish market.
Hey, sure. I hear you for sure.
Yeah, bear, he's a bear, he's a bear. He's a bear, he's a bear, he's a bear.
Freaky ass bear, he loved getting clapped. Freaky ass bear, he loved getting clapped. Hey, bro, for your life. At this rate, Alfred's right. This mess could.
69 fib
This mess
god.
could hit 600.
Yeah, that's why I just moved it up to 600. I was like, dude, it's just gonna keep going, and I'm gonna be a part of that. God damn it, I'm gonna be a part of it. Bear's crying right now in that fetal position that Smith was talking about the other day, yesterday. That fetal position. It's like, how we gonna feed our cubs? You know, the Bears Yo, the Bulls came back with a vengeance. See, the Bulls like, oh, y'all thought it was sweet. Oh, what? Y'all thought it was sweet to take down the market when we wasn't here on 4th of July. We didn't like that. So they came back and they showed the Bears like, nah, y'all thought y'all had it. Y'all thought it was sweet over here. Y'all thought it was sweet to take the market down on 4th of July. They swept that liquidity and said, thanks for the better price. And they just ran off with it, man. Just ran with it. I mean, price is still trending up, man. You don't want to short it. I mean, we look on the higher time frame, price is still trending, which sucks. Bears can't no fun. Yeah, gain weight. Yeah. I mean, have you hugged one of your bear friends today, gain weight, and said it's okay? I mean, at this point, you should just tell your friends that are bears, like, yo, yeah, you might as well just transfer all your money into my account because I'm gonna get it anyway. Y'all shorting this damn market. I'm gonna get it anyway. You might as well transfer it to my account. No text backs. He said it ain't first no more. Yeah, you're right, Tom. Ain't no love for bears in these streets, yo. Gain weight loss all his friends.
Yeah, that's wild. Yeah, I don't want to hear that. I don't hear that.
That is funny.
They got that what's that meme with he got the mask smiling but he crying underneath?
Yo, that's crazy, man. That's so crazy. Oh man, you know, honestly, like an old version, my young and naive bear version, I would have blew like 10 accounts. I would have blew 10 accounts already. I ain't gonna lie. I would have blew because I would have been shorting this shit. Like, yo, why is it not short? I would have shorted this, yo. Oh man, I would have shorted this damn thing, and I know I would have. I'm just so good. I'm just so glad that I just learned along the way not to just short stuff like when the market is just disregarded. Well, we all know who, if you have a neighbor and they're no longer your neighbor, we all know they shorted the market. But man, dude, I really want to, like, before the end of this year, before the elections, what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can kind of withdraw something out of my 401k because I already know that shit looks so nice. I'm going to see if I can just take it. It's like, you know what? I really don't need this anymore, or not need it, but I don't need y'all to manage it anymore because I know that once the elections is over, this election year is over, all this green is going to turn red. I just know it. And I'm going to see if I can try to get something out of my 401k. Like, just low, give me my money. Like, give me that shit. So I'm going to look into that. Because I know this shit's going to turn fucking red once we know who our next president is. I already know it will. Shit. Yo, they really blocked you, gain weight? They seriously blocked you? Yo, bears are stubborn. We don't want to hear your, like, we ain't trying to hear your bullish thesis for real. Like, we ain't trying to hear none of that. Like, we ain't trying to hear none of that shit. He says wants to take it out and then again at tax time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that. I'm gonna have to talk to somebody about that because I just know that my 401k is looking nice. I know it is. I know it's looking nice right now. But that shit's gonna go straight to hell once the new president comes in, man. Yeah, I don't know if y'all guys seen it, but Biden is already talking about he may drop out. So they may. I mean, honestly, I really don't know who they will have to replace Biden for real. Like, I really don't know, because if Biden was the best person that they had to go up against Trump in the first place, dude, you're not getting, like, who do they have better than Biden? Who? I mean, the only person that could ensure a victory for the Democrats would be Michelle Obama. I believe that's the only person that they have in their arsenal is Michelle Obama. Anybody other than that would not beat Trump. So I don't know. And then the way that the Democrats have been handling retaining power, it's like y'all read like a psychology book and think that the masses are stupid. Or okay, let's just be honest. Before all this information with the internet became available, they was getting away with some of the craziest shit because of how naturally the mind responds in certain situations. Now that this information is available, now that like it's so obvious what you're doing, so we're not stupid. So why are you doing that? But I mean, they're doing it anyway, and at every turn, everything that they're doing is backfiring against them. Like, you've given Trump so much promo over the news with this case. Like, y'all keep throwing bullshit ass cases at him. These cases won't even get him knocked out the presidency or eligibility. You're just giving him promo. You're just giving him, he doesn't even have to go on the campaign trail for real. Who doesn't talk about the Trump case? What they wanted to do was have the narrative to say that he's a convict. Dude, we're in 2024. Who doesn't love the bad boy? Who isn't a convict? I mean, that shit doesn't matter anymore. The voters that you're trying to appease are trying to say, oh yeah, Trump's a convict, blah, 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 blah. Dude, those are the same people that will vote for a convict. It's more relatable. It's like, oh, one of our presidents is a convict, I'm voting for him. And so it's like, dude, it's like, what the fuck are you doing? But I mean, I don't know. That's just me. If it was me trying to destroy Trump, it would have been more effective and strategic instead of actually giving him free pump promo and basically a red carpet to the White House, if that's not what you want as, you know, the Democratic Party. But I mean, like I said, it's kind of stupid what they're doing. It's crazy that that's true, Alfred. That's crazy that that's true. It's really what gets these presidents and politicians into the White House is they like to call us the minority, but we all know that obviously we are not the minority, because if they need our vote to get into office, then nah, we're not the minority. And yes, yeah, I mean, we all saw the clip with Hillary Clinton talking about she put hot sauce in her purse. Like, bitch, why the fuck are you putting hot sauce in your purse for? Like seriously? Like, seriously? You think we're that stupid? Seriously? The fuck you putting hot sauce in your purse for? like, and who actually does that? Who has hot sauce in their purse for real? It's stupid. You said high blood people carry hot sauce. That's the first time I'm ever hearing that one, Alfred. And if that's the case, then okay. But we all know what Hillary Clinton was trying to do. She was trying to relate to the black voters, kind of like what that New York Democrat says that black people don't know how to use computers. Like, she actually said that shit. thought that was so
That was
fucking hilarious.
serious.
Yeah, she said black people don't know that he's got cameras on TV.
Wow.
But them intrusive, impulsive thoughts come out because you know you play that stupid game trying to pander, and then your real thoughts come out. Some of the inner city kids don't even know what a computer is. Like, seriously? Yeah, that is funny. Where did you get that from? Who doesn't know what a fucking computer is nowadays, yo? Who does it? That's crazy. Oh, that's so funny. Of course. Of course. Yeah, it is pure ignorance, man. That's why it's funny. I mean, politics nowadays, I don't understand why. Well, okay, I can understand why people get emotionally involved with politics. Like I said, I try not to be on nobody's side. It don't matter who the president is. I'm still going to thrive because nobody has control over my failure and success except me. So it doesn't even really matter who the president is for real. But the economy, on the other hand, yeah, I guess it does matter when it comes to the economy, I guess. Yeah, I hate that victim mindset as well, JC. Uh, and like I said, I before all this internet stuff, I had that mindset before. I mean, like I said, I've always had that rebellious mindset. I just can't blame an invisible boogeyman and said that he's the source of all my problems. I've always had the mindset that it's always me. It's my fault. Like I can sit here and say, oh, it's somebody else's fault that I didn't get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and do what I needed to do to actually improve myself and be where I want to be in society. Because I mean, a lot of people are just comfortable being a victim. I mean, they're comfortable being there. So I mean, and they'll use every excuse to stay there. But yeah, honestly, I don't hang out with people that with that victim mindset, that welfare mindset. I grew up around it, and I see where it gets people. I just see it, and I was like, you know what? That'll never be me. I went back home, saw everything was the same, saw the same people, the people that was the man in high school, still living in that high school era where they were the man that was on the football, basketball team. They got all the attention. Obviously, the teachers are going to help them because they're athletes, obviously. So, and then the ones that didn't go to college and stayed home, still thinking they're the man. I went back home and saw them. I was like, damn, bro, damn. You don't want nothing better for your life? I mean, your story ended when high school, when you graduated high school. That's where your story ended at. That's crazy. But some people like being there. And instead of taking accountability and saying, you know what, let me get off my ass, let me get up, let me crack open a book. Well, let me figure out what I want to do first, and let me follow the people that is actually where I want to be at in life. Do exactly what they did, try to understand why they're doing it. And once I get more comfortable in that position, put my own spin to it. I mean, it's so easy to be successful nowadays. That's why I don't have sympathy for anybody that's not successful. It's so like, dude, it's you. And you have to accept that. I mean, where I came from, where I am now, from where I came from, I like if anybody knew who I was back in the day, they would have never thought that, oh wow, you're here? This is what you do? Because statistically, I'm not supposed to be here, but I wasn't going to be where I was statistically supposed to be at. So I did what I needed to do. I sacrificed a lot. And now I'm in a situation where all that sacrifice paid off. So that victim mentality, yeah, I have no sympathy for none of it because I had every excuse to be a victim and I chose not to be. Yo, that's so crazy, yo. That's crazy. You're not gonna hit the, you know what? You know what? NQ, he did all that pushing just for you to not hit my target. Ah, uh, uh. Yeah, I agree with that, Alfred. That's exactly what it is, man. That's like I said, I see it all the time. I see it all the time, man. But I will say that being accountable for your actions, I mean, that initially it hurts if you don't have your ego in check. If you don't have your ego in check, you have to answer a few questions. Why am I not where I want to be at? That's a hard question because your ego tells you 24/7 that you the shit, that everybody is living in your world and you're the only real person in this universe, but everybody else is fake. That's what your ego tells a lot of, well, not your ego, but a lot of people's ego tells them that the world revolves around them. For whatever reason, even though they don't contribute nothing to society, I hear a lot of people talking about you're just a character in my story. Like, for real? Like, what do you contribute to the world for real? You just get on YouTube and consume content, and then once you finally go out, it's yeah, everybody's a character in my world. Like, seriously? But a lot of people have that mindset, man. And it'll be mostly those people once they realize that, damn, like, can't pay my bill. Okay, they can't pay their bills. They don't have nothing in life. And when that question is like, damn, why am I not where I want to be? Their egos can't handle that. It's a cognitive dissonance for them. Yeah, we might. Yeah, we getting the. Yeah, we're getting to like the 600, bro. I'm gonna keep this at 600. We're getting there, man. NQ. All right. So where's my? Okay. So obviously it's rejecting close to this damn golden fib, but I front ran the golden fib, which is crazy. That I mean, I'm pretty sure it's gonna get filled, but it's just crazy that it's just so much resistance at my damn target, yo. Like, what's up with that? Hmm. They don't want to see your boy win, bastards. You said there's a big order sitting there. Yo, gang, wait. You gotta share what program you using, man. I mean, if you're using a thing with Bookmap, then okay, we all using that. But what you using? Because you said something like that previously. You gotta tell everybody what you using, man. Where you be seeing all the orders. Man, all right, man. All right. All right. I'm looking to the left like there's any price action to the left. Ain't no price action to the left. Nice. All right. Cool. All right. All right. Hmm. I wonder if they're going to reject it here. Now that they touched that golden fib, I wonder if they're going to reject it here. We'll see. Hey, I'm already down to one. I'm down to one contract now. Yeah, I'm thinking so too, Alfred. I'm thinking so too, because usually once London closes and we start going into lunch, price action does either chop or we could see a potential pullback. Where should I bring it up to, gain weight? Where should I bring it up to? You know what? I'll put it at 74. I'll put it up like right. Yeah, I was actually going to put it right here. Actually, I'll just put it below this low right there. That gives me about like 30 to 40 points. Look how that shit was rejecting off of that fib level perfectly. Or at least people are taking profits here. People are taking profits here at this level. It says 25.70. And that's right there. I ain't taking it right there. 474. 5. Okay. So I'm gonna give myself at least 50 points. Or all right, 45 points in this play. I mean, if I get stopped out, at least I'm halfway. I mean, it can still keep going, but my stops and profit 45 points. So all in all, I mean, today was definitely a good day. We were on the right side of the market today. And let's stay on the right side of the market. These fib levels worked out beautifully. Like, look at this, man. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful range, man. Actually, what I should do is this. And you can see that. I mean, alongside the ranges I draw and these fib levels, we can definitely use this. We can turn this. Let me see how it looks first before I actually commit to doing this. Let's see how it looks. Hmm. Well, you're trolling like a bitch, aren't you, tired? Well, I think this is the wrong chart. This is the wrong one. That's not the the Nasdaq chart that I was looking at. Man, well, that's not it either. That's not it. Or maybe it is. No. Is this it? No, this can't be it. Oh no, that's non-farm payroll. I was like, dude, that can't be it. Okay, that's what I was looking for. So this is the chart. Like range. Well shit, now we gotta wait and see if this target gets hit. I mean, yeah, you're right, gain weight, but so with this contract, it's a runner. I don't want to take profits on a runner. I mean, this is the way that I have my ATM strategy designed is so I can take profits along the way. My first 2 or 3 profit targets, that's where my profits are. But then my remaining 3 contracts are runners. And that's for my ego. So I can say, so my ego can say that I caught, the move. And that's just to take profits. Then that's just a compromise that I came in within myself. I want to capture the move. That's what I want. But I'm not going to put all my profit targets all the way up here just in case, because like I said, I've blown too many accounts where I've done that. So I'll have my targets that I want to get the profits on in reasonable 40 to 30, or I have an 18-point target, 27, 36, and then 45, 50, 60, 70, stuff like that. To where, I mean, even if it does come all the way back on me, I mean, I only lost like $50. It's not a big deal, but I made most of my money in the range. So just for those that didn't know that, because I mean, game weight is right. You don't want to lose profits, but this is a runner target. It's not, I don't care about this. I just want to get this move. That's it. So let's see if we're going to get it.
Yo,
What's up?
you wanna know how regarded these bulls are? I literally bought the top at the previous high, stayed
Really?
in it, and set these targets to like 595, 601, 608, like, and here we are approaching them.
I know.
That's
I know.
wild. I'm almost done with this passing this account. It's 50K. Trying to be funded by Monday. Baby.
I ain't gonna lie, man. I want to move my target up, man. Let me see. Let me look at this and see how high this damn thing can go. Just look at the chart, because I'm trying to think. I mean, if they're just gonna keep pushing this shit, like, where can it go?
Can we get much higher? So high. So high. Sure. High. I need to stop playing around and take some off.
Yeah, this shit is going, bro.
Hey.
This shit, bro, man, it's going, man.
Hey, ticks. They missed my 2 ticks. I moved it up. Don't do me like that.
Bookmap, yo, it's a wall at 600, but I think we gonna run through that. These bears are weak, man. I mean, well, people are taking profits at 600, but you ain't gonna see no run up like this and not try to get back in this. I'll just move my stop up. I'll move it up. Now I'll put it at. No, that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense.
Come on, Q. Just do it for your boy. Do it for gain weight. If anything, do it for gain weight in Q. He wants 600. I know he does.
He says, the great minds think alike. Because that's exact. Oh, you said 580?
What about 580? He coming for my stop.
mm. I mean, I would have got filled in that. Actually, I wouldn't have gotten filled on that. So this is what I'll do. I mean, it's no point. It's no point in letting it come back. You said what?
I was about to say, if this thing looks like any inkling that it wants to drop, I'm gonna close it out and I'll just get the last however much money, $600, whatever it is, that I need to make to pass. Because it's 3K, right?
Yeah, it's only 3K.
3K to pass?
Mm-hmm.
He said, "I'll leave." He said, "It's only 3K." You get that every day.
Get that every day, man. You get that every day. I get that every day, close to that on micros, man. So just imagine if I'm trading minis.
I am in the minis. I am in the minis. Come on, bruh.
Hey, gain weight, man. Hey, man, gain weight. Share the software, man. Share the software. DM me if you want to keep it a secret.
What's up?
And Gameway got a secret software, man. What software you using, man? Looking at people. You said 580 should be sick.
Gameway, you need to share that with your boys.
Yeah. Or it could be. Well, I don't know, man. I know people actually do pay for like the. Oh, go ahead.
I said I don't want to be a bear no more.
I said I don't want to be no bear. It says I don't want to be a bear no more. They're not a bear. They just get clapped a lot. It's like Hunter says I'm a bear, but they get clapped a lot. No. I hate that they get clapped. I hate that they get clapped a lot. Yeah, you're right, gain weight though.
Don't drop here.
I don't think we're gonna drop. Because I'm looking at Bookmap right now. There's so much aggressive buyers. There's too many people FOMO into this move right now. It's too many people FOMO into it before this to really drop. It's too many.
I'm 300 away, bro. Run it. Oh, a tick.
Run it, baby.
It's my target. A chick, bro. Nah, just for that, you gonna go up some more just for that NQ.
I'm thinking I'm gonna put it right there, dude. I'm gonna put it right there. And now, okay, I'm trailing this, yo. I'm trailing it. No, I'm not done. No. We're gonna put it underneath the golden zone. Right there. There we go. I can live with that. Actually, I can live at 100 points.
Oh, come on.
I can live with that. Right there. I can live with that.
Dang. Boy, up 120 points. 130 almost.
Mm-hmm. He says too tight.
Don't tell me you're gonna drop it here. Nah. I'm so close to passing this. I might as well.
I mean, it could. I mean, because we know what that 600, that 100 level does, man. But people might be shorting this and they might get ran.
I'm like $100 away from passing. She just push up just a couple more points.
Nah, I'll leave it there.
Nvidia, Meta, they're going in right now.
Yeah, they're going in. Actually, let's see where Nvidia is right now. Let's look at that. That $1 trillion. Whoa. Why is the market running? Oh, no, okay, never mind. When was this? When did that happen? When did that happen? Oh, that happened in June. I was about to say, dude, I know Nvidia didn't drop like this, and the market's running up like that.
Nvidia is down surprisingly. They're down $1. The market's still. I think Meta, something with Meta. Yeah, Meta's up 4%.
Meta?
I don't know what happened.
Damn.
I don't know what.
Damn. What the fuck happened to Meta?
Yeah, I did see a notification. I don't know. I do not know.
What the fuck happened with Meta?
Can we get? Baby, I just need like. Oh, right there. I passed.
Yeah, congratulations on that, man.
I hit it. I closed it out. Once it crossed 3K, I was like, F this. I thought I was going to get caught on slippage, which I kind of did, but I'm still over 3K. All right, I got to go. I got to go eat.
Yeah.
I skipped out. I was like, hold on, let me stay here because it's about to go. I literally longed the previous top. This has to be studied. I got tired of losing on shorts and said, all right, F it. This will be studied later on. I'm going to go back and watch the footage.
Hmm. So apparently they're talking about their threads. All right. Go ahead.
What happened? I'm listening.
So this, I don't know if this. So they're trying to say that the Threads application reached 175 million users, and this is their anniversary. Man, you better get them bot accounts out of here. Them bot accounts talking about some bot accounts. Your NPC accounts trying to talk about. But congratulations on your funding, though. Now, Smithy, you gotta be consistent, man. Consistent. Now that's the name of the game.
Yeah. No more shorting. Yeah, just got this MFF account, passed it, and we'll be funded by Monday, baby. Let this lock in. That was a hard fought 3K because I was going against the grain, trying to be cute or get all these struggles. Yeah, I'm gonna take screenshots and put it in the Discord in the charts. It's a struggle.
Mm-hmm.
But then I said, F it. Literally log the top. I did not care. Not any. Don't do that, though, everybody. But me, I just didn't care.
Yeah. All right, man. All right. He says, because I'm about to end the stream like at 11 o'clock. We'll go into the weekend super green this week. I mean, we had a great week this week. We had a green week this week. I mean, you're saying it like that doesn't happen all the time, but we had a lot of great trades. We found the golden fib. We got the golden fib, and we got all sides of golden fibs now. So today was definitely a great week. All of our gold plays hit. All of our trades on the Nasdaq that we talked about in our NA meetings, those hit. I just like stuff like that, obviously, because it just shows that my analysis and the work that I'm putting into this is paying off. And I like that. And that's what I want to do. That's what I want to do, at least with my channel, is just the analysis part. I'm not necessarily care about, well, okay, no, I do care about that. That is a part of it, but this is what I enjoy the most, is just studying these charts, analyzing, trying to identify areas where we can get in great risk reward trades so we can just take money from these prop firms, man. They want to give out free money, we're going to take that shit.
But all right, y'all, I gotta go grab this food real quick and
All right, man.
close. All right,
All right.
later.
All right. Yeah, I'm starting to see this a lot right here. This play right here, I'm starting to see a lot. I do see that they like to play around this golden fib, and people that like, okay, so they like to take profits at the 50, or I'm sorry, not at the 50, but at the golden fib area, and they like to buy it back at the 50% because people are getting stopped out that buy here at the golden fib. They stop them out at the 50, and then after they get at the 50, that's when we'll see that run up. And you can kind of see it here where we did get this drop. We got this drop back here at support. It touched this 382 level, which a lot of people like to buy at the 382 for some freaking reason. We got this move back up. It touched that golden fib perfectly. We retested that high. It dropped. It stopped out the people that got in here. Came right back to the 50. And from here, the skies were freaking limits. And you can see that every time they touched into a golden fib area, people were started taking profits. But with this run up, but this does look like it's going to possibly, we'll see. You can probably get the market to continue to move up from here. And I missed that meeting. Huh. Huh. So if you're in this position, just be mindful. Just be mindful here. Just be mindful. I mean, on Bookmap, it doesn't seem like there's no sellers anymore. It does look like all the sellers have removed their limit orders. I guess they ran out of money. And now the bulls are just buying this damn thing up. Yo, for real, gain weight? I've been having trouble with Ninja too. Like, so after I said that Ninja Trader is a great platform, that's exactly when it started giving me problems. So I had to reach out to support because remember my Nasdaq charts wouldn't load for some weird reason. I couldn't get Nasdaq to load, and I had to reach out to support, and I had to do some all kind of crazy stuff to get it to work because it was something with the folders, and I had to download new folder database folders so I can start loading the Nasdaq charts up again. And I did watch, yeah, I know. Yeah, that's why I was like, yeah, you don't really expect that kind of behavior from Ninja Trader. But I did watch that the replay of that other position I had. So it was something that where as price was going up, it filled a limit, and I had 10 contracts, and then it filled one limit, and then it went from 10 to like 2 or 3. So once price took out that limit to close out the long position, that's why one of my targets turned into a sell position. That was definitely a glitch because I don't know how it went from being in a position of 10 contracts to whatever number it went down to, and then having the sell limit turn into a sell order for real, starting a new position. And that's what happened. And I was like, how the hell did that happen? And talking about that trade from this morning with non-farm payroll. So I closed out of that position. So when you saw my both of my entries disappear, that was me closing out of the position. But when I look back at that replay, I was never out of the position. And I closed the position on Top Step X on the DOM. And I was never closed out. It just took out my stop loss and it took out my target, but I was still in the position. And I don't understand what I should do about that. or not understand. I don't know what I should do about that because I'm pretty sure Top Step's going to say, well, blah, blah, blah. You traded news, blah. I'm pretty sure. But I manually closed out the position, but it didn't close out. So I guess I'll reach out to support. I'll see if they'll do something about it, but honestly, I'm pretty sure they won't because I looked at the replay and I can already imagine what they'll say. I was like, yeah, even though you closed it, volatility, blah, 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 blah. So we'll see. I guess I'll still reach out to them though. Well, that wouldn't be a surprise game weight. I mean, they are using Rhythmic, and people are already complaining about these phantom orders with Rhythmic and all kind of other crap that's going on with Rhythmic. Okay, so I'm thinking that we'll see. The way this is looking, the Bears are obviously trying to sell it here. They're trying to sell this here, but the Bulls are too strong. If you look at Bookmap, they're definitely in this area trying to sell it, but be mindful the CVD is still positive. So even if the Bears are able to push this down, I'm pretty sure we'll still get a bounce. There's too many buyers in this market right now for the market to completely reverse. Yeah, I guess I could do that too. Yes, I could. But honestly, I think this is probably it right here. This is probably the end of this. This is probably the end of this road, to be completely honest. We'll see if we'll get a bounce at this 21. And if not, we can possibly get a bounce here at this golden zone. Hmm. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that I didn't have the volume on this. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I think this might be it right here. That may be. We may get a pullback. I mean, the Bulls have definitely been super regarded, and I'm assuming that. I mean, if they don't buy it off the 21 and they don't buy it off this fib level, this could be the end, or not the end, but we could see a pullback, and we don't know how deep that pullback's going to be. So, all right, game weight. We'll see you next week. See if we get that reversal. Yeah, like 5 more minutes. Yeah, definitely like 5 more minutes. We'll see what happens. And these fib levels did come in clutch though. That 138.2. They did sell it at there. They came back to the 79%. And then from here, we got this massive move up. I mean, technically, actually, I do want to point something out. I should have took profits. And oh man, shit. I should have took profits because I realized what just happened. I realized what just happened just now. Shit. I'm going to get stopped out of this position. What I'm talking about is that price just made a 100% move. I just noticed that. God damn it. Damn, I should have took the. Anyway, it's not a big deal. 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 It just made a 100% move. So, huh. I just noticed that crap too. Okay. That's something else that I'm gonna have to really pay attention to. But it does look like they're trying to come in at this golden zone. So we could see a push. But honestly, yeah, we'll see. But I mean, honestly, I wouldn't buy this. I wouldn't buy this. I mean, you're literally up in the nosebleeds. It may work, but you're literally up in the nosebleeds. We already seeing the bulls are taking profits at this 100% move that they just made in the market. I mean, they possibly could come back in at this golden zone, but after a move like this, I mean, we got to have a pullback. We just got to. But we did tap the top of this golden zone, so we'll see if they hold it. So far, so good. They're holding the zone. So far. But yeah, this. I wouldn't long this. All right, no problem. Okay. But all right, everybody. I'm going to end the stream here. I actually got to get to work. I did appreciate everybody joining. We will be using these fibs more often. It does appear that they do work on the Nasdaq, and it will just make analysis easier, especially when we're in the heat of the moment and we can just reference these fib levels on the fly. Wow. Well, I mean, if that's not official, if that is not official, how official can you get? If that is not official right there, this is up almost 20 points from this golden fib area. So yeah, we'll be definitely using this moving forward. So yeah, we're definitely using this. But all right, guys, we'll do this again on Monday, and we'll be using these golden fibs. And with that said,